Join me as I try out a simple swap that could save my travel plans from total disaster. Travel hacking, the art of scoring amazing deals on flights, hotels, and more. But let's be real, it can be a total minefield. One wrong move, and you're facing unexpected fees, booking complications, and a whole lot of stress. That's where the swap method comes in. A game-changing approach that can help you avoid travel hacking disasters. Unexpected fees can quickly add up, turning a great deal into a costly mistake. I mean, who hasn't been caught off guard by a surprise baggage fee or exchange rate charge? And then there are the booking complications. Finding out your credit card miles aren't transferable or that your hotel reservation wasn't booked correctly. These mishaps can be frustrating, especially when you've been counting on a smooth trip. And let's not forget about the blackout dates, limited availability, and sold-out flights that can ruin your travel plans. The swap method is a clever strategy that involves swapping your travel dates, working with alternative airports, avoiding peak travel times, and being prepared for the unexpected. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of travel hacking disasters. For instance, swapping your travel dates by just a day or two can sometimes save you hundreds on flights. Working with alternative airports can also open up more options for affordable flights and accommodations. And being prepared for the unexpected means having a backup plan in place, so you're not left scrambling when things go wrong. I'd like to share a real-life example of how the swap method saved someone from a travel mishap. Meet Sarah, who was planning a trip to Europe. She was set on flying into Paris, but the flights were super expensive. By swapping her travel dates and working with alternative airports, she was able to find a much cheaper option, flying into Brussels instead. She then took a train to Paris, which ended up being a fun and scenic experience. If Sarah had gotten stuck on her original plan, she would have missed out on a great opportunity to save money and have a more flexible itinerary. In summary, the swap method is a simple yet powerful approach to travel hacking. By swapping your travel dates, working with alternative airports, avoiding peak travel times, and being prepared for the unexpected, you can avoid common pitfalls and make the most of your travel budget. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your travel hacking experience. If you've had any experiences with travel hacking, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks, be sure to check out my related videos. I've got a ton of content on travel hacking and budget travel.